everyone, we want to continue with our maths class today. Continuation of past question on surds. Let's 2 root 2 minus root 3 over root 2 plus root 3. When we have this kind of question, we multiply by the conjugate surd. That will be 2, that will be root 2 minus root 3, root 2 minus root 3. So we have 2 times root 2 times root 2, that's 2. Then we have minus 2 root 6, then minus root 6 plus 3 over 2 root 2 times 2 root 2, that's 2 minus 3, because root 3 times minus root 3 times minus root 3, that's 3. So what do we have? We have 4 minus 3 root 6 plus 3 over minus 1. And that gives us 7 minus 3 root 6 over minus 1. When we multiply both sides by minus 1, we have root 3 root 6 minus 7 as our answer. 3 root 6 minus 7 as our answer here. Simplify. Root 147 minus root 75 over root 48. So let's simplify this. Root 147 is they are saying root 49 times 3 minus root 25 times 3 over, this is the same thing as saying root 16 times 3. 3 times 6 is 18, h remainder 1. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So this gives us the square root of 49 is 7. We have 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3 all over 4 root 3. So that will give us 7 minus 5. That's 2 root 3 all over 4 root 3. This we call this here 1, this here 2. So our answer will be 1 over 2. 1 over 2 becomes the answer in this place. Rationalize. Root 6 minus root 4 over root 6 plus root 4. We'll look for the conjugate. Actually, both are conjugate of the other. So root 6 minus root 4 over root 6 plus root 4 multiplied by root 6 minus root 4 over root 6 minus root 4. So root 6 times root 6 is 6. Root 6 times root 4, that's minus root 24. Minus root 4 times 6, that's minus root 24. Minus root 4 times root 6, minus root 24. Minus times minus is plus. Root 4 times root 4 is 4 over, these are conjugates, so what we have will be 6 minus 4. So what do we have here? 4 plus 6, 10. That's 10 minus 2 root 24 over 2. When we look at the commonality, we have 2 into 5 minus root 24 over 2. So this we call this, our final answer will be 5 minus root 24. 5 minus root 24. We can actually leave the answer this way, or we move ahead and say 5 minus root 24 will give us what? 5 minus root 24. Root 24 is the same thing as saying 4 times 6. That's 5 minus 4 times root 4 times 6. And that's 5 minus 2 root 6. Either we have 5 minus 2 root 6, or we leave it as 5 minus root 24 as our answer. Evaluate. Sine 45 degrees plus sine 30 degrees in surd form. In surd form. This is our question. Sine 45 degrees is the same thing as saying 1 over root 2, while sine 30 degrees is the same thing as saying 1 over 2. So what we have is 1 over root 2 plus 1 over 2. So what do? We look for the 1 over root 2, we can rationalize it to be the same thing as root 2 over 2. So we have root 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2. The lowest common factor is 2. So 2 here, 2 into 1. 1 times root 2, we have root 2. 2 into 1, 1 times 1 is 1. So our answer becomes root 2 plus 1 over 2. This becomes our answer here. Simplify 4 root 27 plus 5 root 12 minus 3 root 75. We have to simplify this. 4 root 27 is the same thing as 9 times 3 plus 5 root 12 is the same thing as saying 4 times 3 minus root 75 is the same thing as saying 25 times 3. So we have 4. The square root of 9 is 3. So we have 4 times 3. 4 times 3 root 3 plus 5 times 2 root 3 minus 3 times 5 root 3. So what do we have? 12 root 3 plus 10 root 3 minus 15 root 3. So 12 plus 10, that's 22. So 22 minus 15, that's 7. So our answer is 7 root 3. 7 root 3 becomes our answer here. 2018. Now, simplify without tables. Simplify without tables. 2 root 14 times 3 root 21 over 7 root 24 times 9 times 2 root 98. So how do we simplify this? We say 2 root 14 is written as 7 times 2 times 3. Root 21 is written as saying 7 times root 7 times 3, root 3, 7. Root 24 is written as saying root 4 times root 6, while root 98 is written as saying 49, root 49 times 2. So how do we simplify this? We have 2 here. Root 7 times root 7 is 7. Then we have multiplied by this 3, and then we have root 2 times root 3. Root 7 times root 7 is 7. We have 3 here, and then root 2 and root 3. We bring it down. Now the square root of 4 here is 2. Then we bring this 2. The square root of 49 is 7. So what we have remaining is root 2 times root 6 here. We simplify it to root 2 times root 3. Then we can simplify. 7 we cut 7 here, 2 we cut 2 here, and then root 2 we cut root 2, root 3 we cut root 3. So what we have will be 3 over 14 root 2. 2 times 7, 14 root 2. And then we have 3. Then we rationalize 14 root 2. So what we have will be 3 times 14 times root 2 over 14 times 14 times 2. So 14 we cut 14 here. So what we will have will be 3 root 2 over 28 as our final answer. 3 root 2 over 28 here. Simplify. Root 25 minus root 3 over root 2 plus root 3. That's the question we are having here. So, that's the question we are having here. How do we simplify this? We multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate is root 2 minus root 3, root 2 minus root 3. So, here we can simplify this first to be 5 minus root 3 over root 2 plus root 3. Then we multiply by the conjugate. That's root 2 minus root 3 over root 2 minus root 3. So 5 times root 2, that's 5 root 2. 5 times root 3. 5 times minus root 3, that's minus 5 root 3. Then we have minus root 6 plus 3 over 2 minus 3. Because these are conjugates. So it's like saying difference of 2 squares. So what do we have here? We have 5 minus root 2 minus 5 root 3 minus root 6 plus 3 over minus 1. So when we multiply both sides by all through by minus 1, what we have will be, minus 5 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 6 minus 3 as our answer here, because we can simplify further. They are not like times.